Good morning. It's the 26th of January, a Wednesday, and I'm just doing a little review to regroup all my word processing classes. As you can see, I'm logged into Moodle and I'm on our word processing Moodle page. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to very quickly recap all that's been done so far. So we started with borders and shading, numbers and bullets, using Office 365, installing Office 365 on your laptop, using equal rand bracket number comma number to create dummy text in a document. So the checklist was, could you turn on the ruler? Can you set indentation? Can you use the ruler to drag an indent? Do you know the difference between line spacing and paragraph spacing? There are three types of indent: first line, hanging, and just a normal indent. There are shortcuts for line spacing. Control 2 is double line spacing. Control 5 is 1.5 line spacing. Control 1 is single line spacing. Of course, you need to have text selected for this to work. The previous short lesson, this is designed for 2 hours a week. Can you use equal rand, apply borders and shading, apply numbers and bulleting? Okay. Next, you should be able to locate the style section on the Home tab, apply a style as instructed, and alter a style to a format of your choice. And the style section, we were largely just using heading 1 and heading 2, and right-click Modify to change the style. Now, can you type Word into the search bar on your taskbar? That's down here on your computer. Use New instead of Blank Document, and then search for a template as instructed. Find and use a template of your choice. A little added thing that's still arising for some people is if you're using Word in a browser, you're using the wrong version. You need to go down, type in Word. As you can see, I have Word pinned to my taskbar, and this is what Word should look like when you're working on it. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, can you get into the header by double clicking? Can you move to the center position or the far right using the tab key? Do you know that you're not supposed to hit the space bar, that there's preset tabs in the header and footer? So if you want to put text on the left, you just type, then you hit the tab key. That's above the caps lock on the keyboard. Then that will bring you to the center. You type something there, hit the tab key, and it brings you to the right tab. And you type something there. To go down to the footer, you can use the navigation keys on the keyboard or the buttons on the toolbar. Now, a new toolbar opens up when you're in the header and footer. Okay? Page orientation. Can you change the orientation of a page to landscape? This is on the Layout tab in the ribbon. Can you insert a continuous break on the Layout tab? That is Insert Break and then Continuous. And Layout has break in it. Okay, Insert Page Break, Layout has break in it. Can you turn Show Hide on and off? Can you print 2 pages on a single sheet? Can you print a specific range? Can you print the current range? Now, I had here endeavored to give you a little video. That symbol means there's a video. And if you scan that QR code, there is a little video showing you how to use find and replace and proofing tools. Next. Video, how to use Snip and Sketch. QR code. Video, using tabs in Word. QR code. So you need to use the snip and sketch, turn on the ruler, set tab, apply to a schedule of presentations. And there was a letter there. I'm not sure if anybody. So there's audio for the letter, reading for the letter if you want to try, listening and typing, keys on the keyboard for you to look at. Find and replace video there. And there's a find and replace practice. These were all meant to prepare you for the assignment. They weren't to be corrected by me. If you had queries, you could for sure contact me. So then we go on. Midterm break. So here we had to do file management. So creating files and folders, renaming files and folders, moving files and folders, using Window Explorer, a simple search, and using Snip and Sketch. And so there's a slideshow summarizing some of the main points for you to look at there. So inserting graphics, everything to do with editing images, what's legal to use, creating your own artwork, resizing, borders, text wrapping. And this is a checklist. So this is a Microsoft video covering the basics. You go in there and you watch the video. Then you go back when you're finished. Instructions for the following document. Please watch before you download the document. You click there. You're brought to a video about formatting pictures. You go back, get the file formatting pictures, download to your computer. You go in and you've got your document. Now, with this document, we're in online. So you have to file, save as, and download a copy. Okay, when that downloads, you save it wherever you're saving. I'll save it there. But it appears in the little taskbar at the bottom and you can open it up and start working. Because I'm pretty sure not everybody has done everything because not everybody has had perfect attendance. And there's been so much going on for everyone. Okay. And there's videos and stuff to go with that. Okay. So if I go back to the checklist, and then there's images, try and create a sports folder. I don't think everybody got everything done, but I'm supplying you with activities to play with. Okay. So we're going to come back to this list later. Download the document below and instructions. So this is where we're starting to get you use whatever videos are helpful online, but you're practicing assignment 1 here. Okay. Here I'm warming you up to what the marks are, so you need to be able to do all the things on the Home tab: file management, printing, graphics, proofreading, help, template. There's files for practice, practice this week. Now, I had a fall this week, so this was delayed to the next week, but all the videos are here for how to use Snip and Sketch, how to use templates, how to print, and instructions, and that brings us right up to the assignment. We've come back into college and now we're doing tables. So that's basically catching you up.